Okay. So last time we have seen our plural countable noun with a few. Correct? A few matlab yani thoda. Same case, a little is there in the chart. As you can see, according to our chart, you will find there we have done a few. Now we are going to see it today. A little. We are going to use a little for uncountable nouns. Correct? A few and a little both are the same, but we use a few for countable nouns and a little only for uncountable nouns. So today we are going to see a few and a little. So we have seen yesterday already a few, but we are going to have it once again. Then we are going to go for a little. Okay, a few. For example, here, a few. There are a few knobs. Are there a few knobs? There aren't any knobs. Can you please give me 2 rounds with a few once again, please? A few. Yes, Jyotsna ma'am, can you please start with a few? Hello? Hello? Are you listening me? Shivdas?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please start a few. There are a few.
There are a few knobs. Are there a few knobs? There aren't any knobs.
Next, Chaitali.
There are a few staplers. Are there a few staplers? There aren't any staplers.
Karthik.
Hello.
Please all of you unmute yourself. Yes, start Karthik.
There are a few books. Are there a few books? There aren't any books.
Very good. Next. Pradeep. Hello.
May I, sir?
Yeah, ma'am. Start.
There are a few animals. Are there a few animals? There aren't any animals.
Next.
There are few
Are there an There are few buildings. Are there a few buildings? There aren't any buildings.
Next.
There are a few erasers. Are there a few erasers? There aren't any erasers.
Very good. Next. Kiran.
There are few cars. There are any cars? There aren't any cars.
Very good. Next.
There are few bulbs. Are there a few bulbs? There aren't any bulbs.
Very good. Next.
There are few bricks. Are there any bricks? There aren't any bricks.
Next.
There are a few islands. Are there few islands? There aren't any islands.
Next.
There are few almanac. Are there any almanac? There aren't any almanac.
Almanacs. Next.
There are a few wires. Are there few wires? There aren't any wires.
Next.
There are few strip tubes. Are there few strip tubes? There aren't any strip tube.
Very good. Next.
There are a few satchels. Are there a few satchels? There aren't any satchels.
Next.
There are few switchboards. Are there few switchboard? There aren't any switchboards.
Very good. Next.
There are a few batteries. Are there a few batteries? There aren't any batteries.
Next.
There are a few bags. Are there a few bags? There aren't any bags.
Good. Next.
There are a few trumpets. Are there any trumpets? There aren't any trumpets.
Good. Next.
There are few guitars. Are there few guitars? There aren't any guitars.
Good. Next.
There are few bowls. Are there few balls? There aren't any few balls.
There are a few faucets. There are a few faucets. Are there a few faucets? There aren't any faucets.
Very good. Next.
So what do you have a bulletin board?
Bulletin board is the strip. You might have seen like this green board is there for notice board.
Yeah.
That notice board is called bulletin board. Yes, continue.
There are few bulletin boards. Are there few bulletin boards? There aren't any bulletin boards.
Bulletin boards. Next.
There are few erasers. Are there any? Sorry. There are few pens. Are there few pens? There aren't any pens.
Next.
There are a few cyanophobias. Are there a few cyanophobias? There aren't any cyanophobias.
Actually, cyanophobia is uncountable.
Oh, a countable है ना sir?
Yeah, it is countable. Okay, now we are going to make sentences with uncountable. As we have seen yesterday, a few, correct? Like that, a few, we have a little. A few means thoda, same case, a little is there. A few and a little both are the same. A few and a little both are the same. We use a few for countable nouns and a little we are using for uncountable nouns. A few, a little matlab yani thoda. Now we have to make sentences with a little. Can you please make sentences with a little with uncountable nouns? For example, as you can see here, there is a little. There is a little marijuana. Is there a little marijuana? There isn't any marijuana. There is a little air. Is there a little air? There isn't any air. There is a little ink. Is there a little ink? There isn't any ink. There is a little pen. There is a little glass. Is there a little glass? There isn't any glass. There is a little sunshine. Is there a little sunshine? There isn't any sunshine. So we are going to make sentences with uncountable nouns. There is a little ink. Is there a little ink? There isn't any ink. Now here we are going to have here uncountable nouns. Please make sentences with them. Here we go. Yes. There is a little hallucination. Is there a little hallucination? There isn't any hallucination. There is a little confusion. Is there a little confusion? There isn't any confusion. There is a little bacon. Is there a little bacon? There isn't any bacon. There is a little iron. Is there a little iron? There isn't any iron. There is a little syrup. Is there a little syrup? There isn't any syrup. There is a little duff. Is there a little duff? There isn't duff. There is a little lamb. Is there a little lamb? There isn't any lamb. There is a little relief. Is there a little relief? There isn't any relief. There is a little gold. Is there a little gold? There isn't any gold. There is a little cement. Is there a little cement? There isn't any cement. Can you make some sentences with them? One by one, one by one.
Hello,
Alright.
sir. What's the meaning of hallucination?
What do you mean by hallucination? Hallucination होता क्या है? कितने लोगों को पता है?
डर.
डर. Not exactly. डर नहीं होता exactly वो. Hallucination मतलब यानी एक ऐसी चीज होती है मतलब यानी जो कि दिमाग पे असर करती है वो. अब मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. Do you know hallucination? आपको समझ में आ जाएगा क्या होता है वो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी, मतलब दिमाग उसके अंदर घूम जाता है. आप इसको देख रहे हैं, इसको आप लोग देख सकते हैं कंटिन्यूसली. इसको देखने की वजह से जो होता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं हैलुसिनेशन. मतलब मैंने एक अलग टाइप की स्टेट ऑफ फीलिंग में चले जाता है वो, दैट उसका दिमाग काम नहीं करता है, उधर दर्द होता है दिमाग में, ऐसा हम लोग बोल सकते हैं. ओके, सो ही इज इन हैलुसिनेशन, शी इज इन हैलुसिनेशन. हैलुसिनेशन एक टाइप के डिप्रेशन वगैरह हम बोल सकते हैं उसको. दिमाग काम नहीं करता है उसका. इल्यूजन, इल्यूजन का बोल सकते हैं हम लोग हैलुसिनेशन. एंड डू यू नो वन मोर थिंग, पूरे वर्ल्ड की सबसे महंगी वॉच कौन सी है? डू यू नो? यस, पूरे वर्ल्ड की सबसे महंगी वॉच कौन सी है? हु कैन टेल मी? पता है कि नहीं?
आईफोन.
तो नाम है हैलुसिनेशन. वर्ल्ड की जो सबसे महंगी वॉच है उसका नाम है हैलुसिनेशन वॉच, और वो लेडीज वॉच है. दिस इज द वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव वॉच. वर्ल्ड की सबसे एक्सपेंसिव वॉच है ये. इट कॉस्ट 350
Oh my God, sir,
crores.
that's very great.
अभी से 7-8 साल पहले इट वॉज कॉस्टिंग 350 करोड़ रुपीज. और अपन क्या कर रहे इधर? 5 रुपए है तुझ्याकडं, 20 रुपये आहे का, 50 रुपये दे, तुला नंतर देतो. अपन 50 रुपये खेलते बैठे. People are buying here 350 crores rupees watch. Oh my God, beautiful. This is what it is, containing many of the gems: rubies, amethyst, sapphire, diamond, Opal, and there are many others. Okay. By the way, make sentences with there is a little. So there is a little anger, is a little anger, there isn't any anger. There is a little copper, is there a little copper, there isn't any copper. There is a little paper, is there a little paper, there isn't any paper. There is a little wheat, is there a little wheat, there isn't any wheat. There is a little happiness, is there a little happiness, there isn't any happiness. All right. So first, Jyotsna ma'am, next Sania ma'am, next Chaitali ma'am, next Guddu, next Kiran, next Shivdas, next Pradeep, and next Ankit. All right. Please make sentences now. Start, please.
There is a little hospitality. Is there a little hospitality? There isn't any hospitality.
Very good. Next.
There is a little weakness. Is there a little weakness? There is any weakness.
There isn't any weakness. Next.
There is a little happiness. Is there a little happiness? There isn't any happiness.
Next.
There is little power. Is there
Loud.
there is little power.
A
There
little
is-
power.
There is little power. Is there little power? There isn't any power.
Wrong. There is a little power. Is there a little power? There isn't any power. Next.
Can I repeat, sir?
A little. There is a little. Next.
There is a little dose. Is there a little dose? There isn't any dose.
Good. Dose. Next.
There is a little cotton. Is there a little cotton? There isn't any cotton.
Good. There is a little cotton. Next.
There is a little hydrophobia. There is any hydrophobia? There isn't any.
Very nice. There is a little hydrophobia. Is there a little hydrophobia? There isn't any hydrophobia. Next. Next. Ankit. Next, Jyotsna ma'am.
There is a little angrophobia. Is there a little angrophobia? There isn't any angrophobia.
Next.
There is a little oxygen. Is there a little oxygen? There isn't an oxygen.
Any oxygen. Next.
Any oxygen.
There is a little yoga. Is there a little yoga? There isn't any yoga.
Good. Next.
There is a little ink. Is there a little ink? There isn't any ink.
Good. Next.
There is a little.
Is there a little cup? There isn't a little cup.
Any cup.
Any cup.
Next.
There is a little meditation. Is there a little meditation? There isn't any meditation.
Good. Motivation. Next.
There is a little illusion. Is there a little illusion? There isn't any illusion.
Very good. Illusion. Next.
There is a little appreciation. Is there any appreciation? There isn't any appreciation.
Appreciation. Very good. Next. Jyotsna ma'am.
There is a little meditation. Is there a little meditation? There isn't any meditation.
Good. Next.
There is a little enmity. Is there a little enmity? There isn't any enmity.
Enmity. Next.
There is a little fried rice. Is there a little fried rice? There isn't any fried rice.
Good. Next.
There is a little smell. Is there a little smell? There isn't any smell.
Good. Next. Judas.
There is a little copper.
There,
Is there a little copper? There isn't any copper.
Next.
there is a little frustration. Is there any frustration? There isn't any frustration.
There is a little leaf. There is a little. Is there little leaves? There isn't little leaf.
Any leaf.
Any leaf.
Next.
There is a little paper. Is there a little paper? There isn't any paper.
There is a
Next.
little legumes. Is there is a little legumes? There isn't any legumes.
Legumes.
There
Legume.
Legumes. Meaning?
There is a little fragrance.
Is there a little fragrance?
and fragrance.
There isn't any fragrance. Next, Karthik.
There is a little sadness. Is there little sadness? There isn't any sadness.
Next, Shivdas.
There is a little cement. Is there a little cement? There isn't any cement.
Next,
There is a little stone. Is there little stone? There isn't little any stone.
stone is
There is
countable,
a
my dear.
little.
I want countable. Countable.
There is a little kindness. Is there any kindness? There isn't any kindness.
Very good. Kindness. Kiran. Guddu.
There is a little wood. Is there any wood? There isn't any wood.
Good.
There is a little gold. Is there a little
Loud,
gold?
loud, loud,
There
loud,
isn't
loud.
any-
Actually, I'm not listening you.
There is a little gold. Is there a little gold? There isn't any gold.
No, my dear. Your voice is not there.
There is a little sand. Is there little sand? There isn't any sand.
Very good. Next, Jyotsna ma'am.
There is a little perfume. Is there a little perfume? There isn't any perfume.
Good. Next,
There is a little relief. Is there a little relief? There isn't any relief.
good. Next,
There is a little
lit-
rain. Is there a little rain? There isn't any rain.
very good. Rain. Next,
There is a little
There is-
legumes. There are little legumes. There isn't any legumes.
next. Very good.
There is a little odka. Is there is any odka? There isn't any odka.
Good. Next,
There is
There
a
is a
little
little
gold.
slip.
Is there a
Is-
little gold? There isn't any gold.
gold. Next,
There is a little slip. Is there little slips? There isn't any little slip.
any sleep. Very good. There is a little sleep. Is there a little sleep? There isn't any sleep. Next,
There is little happiness. Is there little happiness? There isn't any happiness.
very good. Happiness. Next, anyone else? There is a little.
There is a little power failure. Is there a little power failure? There isn't any power failure.
Very good. Next,
There is a little communication. Is there any communication? There isn't any communication.
nice. Kiran. Karthik.
There is a little sadness. Is there little sadness? There isn't any sadness.
Italy.
There is a little hair. Is there little hair? There isn't little any hair.
There isn't any hair. Next,
There is a little star. Is there isn't any star.
okay. Now we are going to make sentences with a few. Okay, a few with plural countable noun. A few. A few matlab any thoda. We have done this, right? Now a few and a little we have done. According to our chart, we have the next one. That's what few. A few and a little we have done. A few and a little matlab any thoda. A few and a little means thoda. Now we are going to make sentences with few and little. Few and little only. Few and little. अब यहाँ पर a नहीं आएगा. Have a look here. We are not going to have here a. A वहाँ से निकल जाएगा. Few मतलब नहीं उससे भी थोड़ा. And little मतलब नहीं a little से भी थोड़ा. और भी थोड़ा. As you can see here the stars. Okay. थोड़ा मतलब नहीं बहुत कम. Few. For example, I have only few chairs in my class. I have only few chairs. I have only few chairs. I have only few frames. Do I have only few frames? I don't have any frames. Okay, frame. So frame will become frames. There are few frames. Are there few frames? There aren't any frames. There are few curtains. Are there few curtains? There aren't any curtains. There are few doors. Are there few doors? There aren't any doors. There are few parkings. Are there few parkings? There aren't any parkings. So we want you to make sentences with few. Of only few. Few मतलब नहीं एकदम थोड़ा, बहुत कम. Okay. Few with countable noun. Few with countable Noun. Can you please make some sentences with
Yes.
words? Few. There are few.
There are few cages. Are there few cages? There aren't any cages.
Very good. Next.
There are few
There are
tables.
few
Are
wishes.
there are
Are
few
there few
tables?
wishes?
There aren't any
There aren't any
tables.
wishes.
धड़क मारने का नहीं, एक एक करके बोलने का. चलो next.
There
Next.
are few data. Are there few data?
Data.
Data. There are few data.
Next.
Are there few data? There
There
aren't
aren't
few. There
any
aren't
data.
any data.
Very good boy. Next.
There are few applications. Are there a few applications? There aren't any applications.
Very good. There are few applications. Are there few applications? There aren't any applications. Next.
There are few pages. Are there few pages? There aren't few pages.
Aren't any pages. Any pages. Next.
There are few errors. Are there few errors? There aren't any errors.
Good. Errors.
They are any careless. They aren't any careless. What's
Plus.
There are few wishes. Are there few wishes? There aren't any wishes.
Jyotsna ma'am.
There are few companions. Are there few companions? There aren't any companions.
Next.
There are few spoons. Are there few spoons? There aren't any spoons.
Next. Guddu.
There are few trunk. Are there few trunk? There aren't any trunk.
Very good. Karthik.
There are few players. Are there few players? There aren't any players.
Good. Next. Ankit. Pradeep.
few boy? Are any boy? There aren't any boy.
Good. Next.
There are few folks. Are there few folks? There aren't any folks.
Good. Next.
There are few desires. Are there few desires? There aren't any desires.
Nice. Next.
There are few snippers. Are there few snippers? There aren't any snippers.
Very good. Snipers. Snippers. Snipers. Next.
There
are
are
few-
few errors. Are there few errors? There aren't any error.
Errors. Karthik.
There are few guys. Are there few guys? There aren't any guys.
Good. Guddu.
There are few wishes. Are there few wishes? There aren't any wishes.
Good. Next. Ankit.
Sir,
Yeah.
wishes on birthday. ऐसा sentence होगा ना? There are few
Yeah.
wishes on birthday.
Correct. Yash ko wishes.
There are few umpires. Are there any few umpires? There aren't any umpires.
Very good. Next.
There are few
So
tokens.
what is the
Are there few
umpires and
tokens?
umpire?
Umpire. See, there are two. Umpire, cricket umpire, correct? वो जो umpiring करता है. And empire means what? Empire. Kingdom होता है ना? Empire, Roman Empire and all. और दूसरा होता है एक emperor होता है, emperor. What do you mean by emperor?
Emperor, Raja
King.
वगैरह सब होता है.
King, sir.
So what's the difference between king and emperor? मैंने यहाँ पे कहीं तो लिखा था अभी. I've written over here somewhere. Emperor. And the wife of emperor is what? Empress. Emperor, empress. I don't know where is it. I have written somewhere. I've written somewhere. Okay, what do you mean by emperor? See here. It is here. Emperor. Emperors, plural. Empress and plural is also empress. What do you mean by emperor? King तो होता है राजा. अब जो राजा का भी बाप होता है ना, किंग से भी बड़ा होता है, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? एम्परर, शहंशाह. ओके, शहंशाह को क्या बोलेंगे? एम्परर. Make sentences. Yes, continue please. There are few.
There are few rivers. Are there few rivers? There aren't any rivers.
Very good. Next. Kiran.
There are few phones. Are there few phones? There aren't any.
Pradeep.
There are few occasion. Are there any occasion? There aren't any occasion.
Questions. Jyotsna ma'am.
There are few acrobats. Are there few acrobats? There aren't any acrobats.
Next.
There are
There are few air hostess. Are there few air hostess? They aren't any air hostess.
Good. Chaitali.
There are few workers. Are there few workers? There aren't any workers.
Guddu.
Markets. Are there few markets? There aren't any markets.
Shivdas.
There are few gears. Are there few gears? There aren't any gears.
Ankit.
There are few bottles. Are there few bottles? There
Aren't any bottles.
aren't any bottles.
Very good. Sania.
There are few pencils. Are there few pencils? There aren't any pencils.
Jyotsna ma'am.
There are few rewards. Are there few rewards? There aren't any rewards.
Rewards. Very good. Next.
There are
There
few
are
astrologers.
few
Are there few
hammers.
astrologers? They aren't any astrologers.
Astrologers. Next.
There are
There
few
are few
hammers. Are there
bats.
few
Are there
hammers? There aren't any hammers.
Hammocks. Yes, Pradeep.
There are few acrobats. Are there any acrobats? There aren't any acrobats.
Acrobats. Very good. Next.
There are few books. Are there few books? There aren't any books.
Guddu.
There are few legs. Are there few legs? There aren't any legs.
Shivdas.
There are few slaves. Are there few slaves? There aren't any slaves.
Kiran.
There are there? There aren't.
Loud, Kiran, loud. Next, once again. Jyotsna ma'am, start once again.
There are few palmists. Are there few palmists? There aren't any palmists.
Next.
There are few adapters. Are there few adapters? There aren't any adapters.
Next.
There are a few clutches. Are there few clutches? They aren't any clutches.
Clutches. Chaitali.
There are few handcarts. Are there few handcarts? There aren't any handcarts.
Nice. Next.
There are few.
There are few statues. Are there statues? There aren't any statues.
Okay. Guddu.
There are few shop in my village. Are there few shop in my village? There aren't any shop in my village.
Shivdas.
There are few adapters. Are there few adapters? There aren't any adapters.
Ankit.
There are few pencils. Are there few pencils? There aren't any pencils.
Very good. Jyotsna ma'am, once again, faster.
There are few tracks. Are there few tracks? There aren't any tracks.
Good. Next.
There are few lanterns. Are there few lanterns? There aren't any lantern.
Next.
There are few fans. Are there few fans? There aren't
in fans. Good. Next.
There are few shops. Are there few shops? They aren't any few shops.
There aren't any shops. Next.
They aren't any shops.
There are few cabinets. Are there any cabinets? There aren't any cabinets.
Cabinets. Good. Guddu.
There are few classrooms. Are there few classrooms?
Classrooms.
There aren't classrooms. There aren't any classrooms.
Chaitali.
There are few handles. Are there few handles? There aren't any handles.
Shivdas.
There are few tracks. Are there few tracks? There aren't any tracks.
Ankit.
There are few shoes. Are there few shoes? There aren't any shoes.
Pradeep.
There are few benefactors. Are there any benefactors?
Okay, last round. Jyotsna ma'am. There are few.
There are few gears. Are there few gears? There aren't any gears.
There are
Good.
few
Next.
clutches. Are there few clutches? There aren't any clutches.
Next.
There are few screens. Are there few screens? They aren't any screens.
Good. Chaitali.
There are few chums. Are there few chums? There aren't any chums.
Very good. Next, Guddu. Vidas.
There are
There
few
are few-
buckets. Are
Are
there
there trains?
aren't
There
any?
aren't any trains.
Okay, Pradeep, repeat.
There are few trains. Are there any trains? There aren't any trains.
Ankit.
There are
Few.
hello. There are few fans. Are there few fans? There aren't any fans.
Very good. Last round. Let's start once again. Last round.
There are few
There are-
chromas. There are few chromas. Are there few chromas? There aren't any chromas.
Nice.
There are few batteries. Are there few batteries? There aren't any batteries.
Very good. Nice.
There are few projectors. Are there few projectors? They aren't any projectors.
Good.
There
Next.
are few PowerPoint. Are there few PowerPoint? There aren't any PowerPoint.
Good. Next.
There are few lamps. Are there few lamps? There aren't any lamps.
Next.
There are
there
few
are
doors.
few gear. Are there any gear? There aren't any gear.
Gears. But gear
There
is
are-
count.
Hello.
Yeah, Ankit.
There are few doors. Are there few doors? There aren't any doors.
Very good. Next one is what? Little. Now we are going to make sentences with little. All right. Now, as we have seen, few. Few matlab in thoda. Same case, little is there for uncountable nouns. As you can see, this is what the next one. A few, a little. Same case, few and little. Few matlab in thoda. Same case, little, thoda. But we are using few for countable nouns and we are using little only for uncountable nouns. Okay. Only little. We are going to have only 4 rounds with them. Then we are going to go for the next, because a few and a little we have done already many rounds of them. All right, we are going to have only 4 rounds. One by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. We are going to have only 4 rounds with little. Little matlab meaning thoda. For example, I have little patience. मेरे पास में बहुत थोड़ा सब्र है. Okay. Next, there is little warmness. matlab there is little hotness. We can say, or he has little sense. He has little sadness. There is little dilemma. He has little phobia. Can you please make sentences with this? I have little melanophobia. There is a little hemophobia. There is a little gyphrophobia. There is a little pedophobia. There is a little hydrophobia. There is a little angrophobia. There is a little claustrophobia. There is a little phyrophobia, etc. Can you please try to make sentences with them? These are what advanced level words which will make your English very amazing. All right? Yeah. Let's go. Now I want you to make sentences with phobias. There is little. Little मतलब यानी बहुत थोड़ा. Okay? There is little. यहाँ पर अभी नहीं आएगा. मतलब थोड़ा, बहुत थोड़ा. Little. Can you make some sentences now with little? There is little.
Yes. There is little cyanophobia. Is there little cyanophobia? There isn't any cyanophobia.
Very nice.
There's little angrophobia. Is there any angrophobia? There isn't any angrophobia.
Very good. Next.
There's little zoophobia.
Zoophobia.
Zoophobia
Is a little.
is little zoo is a little
Zoophobia.
phobia. There is any zoophobia.
Very good. There isn't any zoophobia. Next.
There is a little hydrophobia. Is there a little hydrophobia? There isn't any hydrophobia.
Good. Next.
There is a little
Aerophobia. Is there little aerophobia? There isn't any aerophobia.
Aerophobia. And
there is a little fibrophobia. Is there any fibrophobia?
there isn't any phyrophobia.
Isn't any fibro.
Guddu?
Yeah.
There is little aerophobia.
Actually, your voice is coming very, very low, Guddu. I think you are not up to your mic.
There is little aerophobia. Is there little aerophobia? There isn't any aerophobia.
Good. Next.
There is a little patient. Is there little patient? There isn't any patience.
Patience. Next,
Patience.
Shivdas.
There is a little demophobia. Is there little demophobia? There isn't any demophobia.
Very good. Next. See, you guys are making very good sentences now. I'm so happy. But now I want your consistency in this one. What do I want? I want your consistency. If you are consistent, then you can become perfect. And if you're not consistent, then may God help you. Always remember, if there is consistency, you will become excellent. Consistency का मतलब क्या होता है? Who can tell me? What do you mean by
Continuity.
Correct. Continuity. Excellent. Consistency means what? Continuity. Regularity. Regular होना बहुत जरूरी है. If you're going to be absent, it will be your loss. If you're going to be present, it will be your benefit. I'll tell you one more thing. I'll tell you a story of Sachin Tendulkar. Do you know Sachin Tendulkar?
Yes.
World's classic batsman. The whole world is the best batsman. He's the best human being as well.
Master Blaster.
There was a tour of Australia. Can you please all of you mute yourself? Please all of you mute yourself now. For now, please mute yourself. Yeah. Once what happened? Sachin Tendulkar went to Australia for tour. And there was raining cats and dogs. As you have seen yesterday, it was raining cats and dogs. What do you mean by raining cats and dogs? Kutte billi baras rahe the. What do you mean by raining cats and dogs?
Some person.
Raining cats and dogs means what? Heavy rain. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना हत्ती का बारिश. आप लोगों ने सुना रहेगा. हत्तीचा पाऊस म्हणतात ना लोक. हेलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलते हैं ना हत्ती का बारिश. That उसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं cats and dogs rain. Means what? Heavy rain. आज जाने का जाके बोलने का you know yesterday it was raining cats and dogs. काय कुत्ते बिल्ली बरस रहे थे? नहीं तुला नहीं करना जाओ. So raining cats and dogs means what? High level के इंग्लिश में इसको बोलते हैं heavy rain. So that's what heavy rain is what? Cats and dogs. So there was what happened in Australia. Sachin Tendulkar went and there was the series India versus Australia. So at night, in the evening what happened? It was raining cats and dogs. It was raining cats and dogs in the evening. Every player was there. Some went to sleep. Some were playing games. Some were gossiping. And Sachin Tendulkar, after the rain, he got back on the ground. बारिश के अंदर जब थोड़ी बारिश कम हो गई, सचिन तेंदुलकर ग्राउंड पे आया. बाकी प्लेयर क्या किए? कोई जाके सो गया, कोई जाके एंजॉय करते बैठा, कोई जाके मस्त मजा करते बैठा, कोई जाकर क्या किया? गेम खेलते बैठा. सचिन तेंदुलकर केम ऑन द ग्राउंड. सचिन तेंदुलकर ग्राउंड पे आया और उसने ग्राउंडमैन को बुलाया. ग्राउंड पे जो काम करते हैं ना, उन लोग को बुलाया. कम. वो लोग भागते, अरे बाप रे सचिन तेंदुलकर हमको बुला रहा है. They went to him and they asked him, sir, what do you want? What are you looking for? Say. Sachin Tendulkar said, would like to play with me? आप लोग मेरे साथ में खेलना चाहते हैं? वो बोले, oh my God, हम? बोले हाँ. Okay, let's come. Sachin Tendulkar started playing with them at night. Sachin Tendulkar ने उनके साथ में खेलना स्टार्ट किया. सचिन बोला उन लोगों को, तुम बॉलिंग करो, मैं बैटिंग करता हूँ. वो बोले ठीक है सर. उन लोगों को भी मजा आता था. वहां पे बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, अदर प्लेयर्स, दे वर सीइंग सचिन. अरे यार सचिन पागल हुआ क्या यार? बारिश के अंदर खेल रहा है गीली पिच के ऊपर. इज ही मैड और व्हाट? Everyone was just chanting out Sachin. I don't know what's wrong with Sachin today, and he's playing with the ground men. It happened for a long time. 2-3 hours he played with them, and after that he went to bed. Next day he scored a century. Next day Sachin ने score किया century. And after the man of the match, there was a reporter. That reporter asked him, Sachin, we have heard that last night you were playing cricket in the, wet field out. He said, yeah. What were you doing there? Were you just entertaining the ground men? He said, no. Actually, I was practicing. I was practicing myself because, as you can see, other players were there who has been out earlier because they never knew how to play on wet pitch. And I practiced last night, and I was looking at the pitch that how much the ball is coming on the bats, at what distance the ball is coming in the bats in the wet pitch. उसने बोला कि वहां पर सब लोग तो सोते पड़े थे, बट मैं वहां पे प्रैक्टिस इसके लिए कर रहा था क्योंकि गिल्ली पिच के ऊपर जनरली खेलते नहीं, और मुझे मालूम था पिच अभी गीला हो गया है, कल हम लोग जब मैच खेलेंगे इसके ऊपर, तो हम लोग जब मैच खेलेंगे वो टाइम पर जब बॉल सामने वाला बाउंस करेगा तो कौन से लेवल पे बाउंस आने वाला है, आके थोड़ा थोबड़े पे बैठने वाला है कि सर के ऊपर से जाने वाला है, तो मैं वो लेवल का प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था. और अपन क्या करते हैं, लाऊ दे ना मारू दे ना नंतर बघू, चालतं की. दिस इज व्हाट आवर एटीट्यूड. यस नो, ये अपना एटीट्यूड है. सॉरी टू से दिस. सचिन वहां पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था कि कल मेरा मैच है वेट पिच के ऊपर, तो कल जब बाउंस होकर पिच पे बॉल आएगा तो कौन से लेवल पे बॉल रहेगा, नीचे रहेगा बॉल कि ऊपर उड़कर आने वाला है. अब गिल्ले पिच के ऊपर बॉल जो है वो ज्यादातर नीचे रहता है, वो तो कहीं स्टंप में नहीं घुस जाने मांगता बॉल. एंड ही वाज प्रैक्टिसिंग देयर, प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड ही scored a century. So this is what the matter of practice and consistency. Don't leave like this only. खाली ऐसे छोड़कर मत जाओ, ऐसे छोड़ो मत उसको कुछ भी जबरदस्ती में. Whatever you're doing, do it consistently. Now let me ask you one question. Suppose if you want success and you're doing your daily routine things, will you get success? No. You will get nothing. If you are doing something good, something new every day, you'll get success. आप लोग अगर हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ नया कर रहे हैं तो आपको सक्सेस मिलेगा. सेम अगर आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं आपको वही रिजल्ट मिलेगा. अगर आपको डिफरेंट रिजल्ट चाहिए, you have to do work something differently, then you're going to get the results. So I want you to make sentences with different words and try to practice at home every day. Don't even skip for a single day. All right, so I hope आपको स्टोरी समझ में आ रहेगा and you are going to work on this. Okay, चलो. There is a little noise. Can you please make some sentences with little? Hello?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
Yeah, make sentences. क्या हुआ आप लोग को?
म्यूट पर थे.
Okay, by the way, story समझ में आया कि नहीं, कुछ सीखने मिला?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes sir.
That's good. Okay, make sentences. There is little.
There is
There
a
is a
little
little-
angrophobia. Is there a little angrophobia? There isn't any angrophobia.
Very good. Next.
There is a little xenophobia. Is there little xenophobia? There isn't any xenophobia.
Good. Next.
There is little
There is a little-
melanophobia. Is there little melanophobia? There isn't any melanophobia.
Nice. Pradeep.
There is a little bathophobia. Is there any bathophobia? There isn't any bathophobia.
Good. Next.
There is a little pedophobia.
Is
Is
there
there
little
little pedophobia? There isn't any pedophobia.
Repeat, Karthik.
There is a little aerophobia. Is there little aerophobia? There isn't any aerophobia.
Next. Jyotsna ma'am once again. Okay, Sania madam.
There's a little hydrophobia. Is there a little hydrophobia? There isn't any hydrophobia.
Good. Only little, not a little. Next. Chaitali.
There is a little pedophobia.
Yes,
Is there a
little.
little pedophobia? There isn't any pedophobia.
Good. Next.
There is little demophobia. Is there little demophobia? There isn't any demophobia.
Good. Next.
There is little hemophobia. Is there little hemophobia? There isn't any hemophobia.
Good. Next.
There is a little pogophobia. Pogonophobia. Is there any pogonophobia? There isn't any pogonophobia.
Good. Next.
There is little necrophobia. Is there little necrophobia? There isn't any necrophobia.
Good. Next.
There is little pedophobia. There is little pedophobia. Is there little pedophobia? There isn't any pedophobia.
Pedophobia. Last round, please. There is little.
There's a little psychrophobia. Is there little psychrophobia? There isn't any psychrophobia.
Good. Next.
There is
It
a
is a
little aerophobia. Is there a little aerophobia? There isn't any aerophobia.
Good. Next.
There is a little zoophobia. Is there any zoophobia? There isn't any zoophobia.
Good. Next.
There is little hydrophobia. Is there little hydrophobia? There isn't any hydrophobia.
Very good. Next.
There
Anyone
is
else?
there is little geptarophobia. Is there little geptarophobia? There isn't any geptarophobia.
Jepherophobia. Jepherophobia.
Gephero.
Good. आउटच व्हायला पाहिजे लोरली कांचन. अरे कसं बोलतो बघ तू. Jepherophobia. Next. Now we are going to make sentence with fever. Fever सबसे छोटा क्वांटिटी है. Fever सबसे 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 छोटा क्वांटिटी है. ओके. फीवर मतलब यानी नहीं के बराबर. नस्लत जम अपन बोलतो ना तसे that's what fever. There are fever मतलब बहुत कम नहीं के बराबर. There are fever. Fever means what? बहुत कम नहीं के बराबर एकदम नहीं नको. That's what fever. Okay. For example, there are fewer lanterns. Are there fewer lanterns? There aren't any lanterns. As you can see here, fever मतलब यानी सबसे कम, बहुत कम, बहुत कम. Same case less. Less मतलब यानी सबसे कम, बहुत कम. For example, see here. There is much coffee. There is a little coffee. There is little coffee, and there is less coffee. मतलब यानी इतना ही है, इतना ही है. Okay. There is much coffee. There is a little coffee. There is little coffee, and there is less
Fever
coffee. Fever नाही ग. Less coffee. Fever आपण countable साठी यूज करता मैत्रीण. Less coffee.
Okay, sir.
So there is less. Same case. Fever we are using for countable noun and less we are using for uncountable noun. All right, guys. So there are fever. Fever ये अपना last है. इसके बाद में numbers रहेगा. And then from tomorrow we are going to start with our schedule. Okay. कल से हमारा schedule start होने वाला है. जो भी बंदा अभी एब्सेंट रहेगा, अभी तक एब्सेंट थे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, मजा भी बहुत आ रही थी, मस्त मजा येते आहे का नाही. ऍब्सेंट विब्सेंट राहायचं काय पण रेकॉर्डिंग भेटेल आपल्याला, तर रेकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा बट वो मजा नहीं आएगा उसके अंदर. सो टुमारो यू आर गोइंग टू सी आप लोग कौन से लेवल पे हैं. कितने लोगों को देखना है कि मैं कौन से लेवल पे हूँ?
सर मी सर.
वेरी गुड गर्ल. तो जितने लोगों को देखना है कि भाई मैं कौन से लेवल पे हूँ, मैं मतलब यानी आप खुद. So please come tomorrow on time because tomorrow is the day of reading and speaking. कल सब पानी का पानी दूध का दूध हो जाएगा. Why? कल सबको मालूम पड़ेगा कौन कौन से लेवल पे है. आज अपने को लगता है मला तर सगळं येतं, मी काही पण करू शकतो, मला तर हे करायचंय, मला ते करायचंय. कल सब मालूम पड़ेगा. कल सब मालूम पड़ेगा अपन कौन से लेवल पे. Why? टेस्ट नहीं अपना कल, but tomorrow I'm going to show you something new. Tomorrow I'll show you how to speak and how to read as well. कैसा read करते हैं, कैसा बोलते हैं, we are going to have tomorrow. So please don't be absent. कल से हमारा schedule start होने वाला है. आज हमारा topic finish होने वाला है completely and from tomorrow we are going to start our schedule. कल से हमारा schedule start होने वाला है. जो भी बंदा भी absent रहेगा ना, भी वो लटक जाएगा. And second thing is what? On Saturday we are going to have our rule. English का सबसे top rule है our rule. When R is going to be silent in American English, when R is not going to be silent in American English, when R is going to be silent in British English, when R is not going to be silent in British English, we are going to see on Saturday. Saturday के दिन हम लोग R rule देखने वाले. बहुत important rule है. जो भी बंदा absent रहेगा लटक जाएगा. All right, good. Let's go for the next one. Fever. Without time pass, we are going to have now fever. Fever मतलब यानी बहुत कम, नहीं के बराबर. There are fewer pens. Are there fewer pens? There aren't any pens. There are fewer lanterns. Are there fewer lanterns? There aren't any lanterns. What do you mean by lantern? Lantern.
Diva.
दिवा. मी कुठले दिवे लावलेत. System. There are fewer lanterns. Are there fewer lanterns? There aren't any lanterns. There are fewer lamps. Are there fewer lamps? There aren't any lamps. There are fewer cupboards. Are there fewer cupboards? There aren't any cupboards. There are fewer cushions. Are there fewer cushions? There aren't any cushions. There are fewer charms. Are there fewer charms? There aren't any charms. Next one. So I want you to make sentence with fewer. Fewer मतलब यानी बहुत 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 कम, खूपच कमी है का नाही. Fewer. Can you please make some sentences with these words? Fewer. There are fewer satchels. Are there fewer satchels? There aren't any satchels. See, I've given some high-level words over here. See, मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ high-level के words लिखा हूँ. If you see blind, blind म्हणजे अंधड़ा. अंधा रहता है ना, उसको अंधे को क्या बोलेंगे? Blind, correct? But high-level के English में उसको blind नहीं बोलेंगे. अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना, बुरा लगता है blind को blind बोलना. We are going to say there optically challenged. Optically challenged. अंधा नहीं बोलेंगे, उसकी जगह पे क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? Optically challenged. Next one dumb. Dumb मतलब नहीं मुक्का. तो मुक्का नहीं बोलेंगे, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Orally challenged. Orally challenged. Next lime. Lime मतलब नहीं लंगड़ा, जिसको आप लोग लिम्बी बोलते हैं. Lime लंगड़ा, उसको आप लोग बोल सकते हैं physically challenged और physically abled. Physically challenged और physically abled. See, ये अच्छे लेवल इंग्लिश है. Next deaf मतलब नहीं बहरा, आप उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Deaf, बहरा. उसको आप लोग बोल सकते हैं acoustically challenged. Acoustically challenged. See, सुनने में भी कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. अगर अपन किसी को बोल देते हैं अरे अंधे इधर, तो एक आधे बार आपको मार भी सकता है उधर. Yes or no? So instead of saying anda vinda, you can say like this. Okay, good. Alma mater. What do you mean by alma mater? Alma mater.
Friend.
Old school.
School friend. Correct. Old school. ये लिखा है ना इधर आगे इसके. Alma mater मतलब नहीं old school. अभी आप, for example, anyone can talk to you. See, in the morning I was talking to a person from California. And his accent was really enchanting. So when I was having a word with him, at the time I asked him, what's your alma mater? So he said Stanford University. So that's what? Alma mater. Alma mater. It's not alma mater. That's what alma mater. R silent हो जाएगा वहाँ पर. क्यों होगा, कैसे होगा, देखने को मिलेगा आपको स्टार प्लस पे संडे के दिन. चलो. Alma mater, old school. All right. Let's go. Let's go. There are fewer. Without time pass, make sentences with there are fewer. Faster. Just ma'am, please start. There are fewer.
There are fewer cock and bulls. Are there fewer cock and bulls? There aren't any cock and bulls.
There are few acoustically.
Very nice. Very nice.
There are fewer. There are fewer acoustically. Are there fewer acoustically? There aren't any acoustically.
No. There are fewer acoustically challenged people. Are there fewer acoustically challenged people? There aren't any acoustically challenged people. Adjective actually. Continue. Continue. Chaitali's.
There are fewer sticks. Are there fewer sticks? There aren't any sticks.
अरे खतरनाक कार्तिक, where are you?
There are fewer crowd. Are there fewer crowd? There aren't any crowd.
Very good. Next.
There are fewer alma mater. Are there any alma mater? There aren't alma mater.
Alma maters. Alma maters. There are two sounds. Alma mater is American sound and alma mater British sound. Next.
My sound is good? Yeah or not?
Yeah, it is good. Alma mater.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
There are fewer earphones. Are there fewer earphones? There aren't any earphones.
Next.
There are fewer applications. Are there fewer applications? There aren't any applications.
Good. Next.
There are fewer words.
There are
Yes.
fewer errands. Are there fewer errands? There aren't any errands.
Very good. Very good. Okay.
There are fewer brush. Are there fewer brush? There aren't
any
brush.
Brushes. Brush चा काय होणार? Brushes.
Brushes.
There are fewer dumps. Are there fewer dumps? There aren't any fewer dumps.
Good. Next.
चार्जिंग करते तो लगा रखा बैटरी खराब पड़ गया.
There are fewer snapper. Are there fewer snapper? There aren't any snapper.
Snipers. Next. Sunny ma'am.
There are fewer orally challenged people. Are there fewer orally challenged people? There aren't any orally challenged people.
There are fewer doomsday. Are there any doomsday? There aren't any doomsday.
Doomsdays.
What do you mean? So what do you mean?
What do you mean by doomsday? जगबुडी. जगबुडीचा दिवस असेल ना त्याला म्हणतात doomsday. दुनिया खत्म होने वाला मालूम है ना? फना. That's what doomsday. चलो next.
There are fewer equistically challenged peoples. Are there fewer equistically challenged peoples? There aren't any equistically challenged peoples.
People. Chaitali.
There are few tags. There aren't any tags.
Good, next.
There are fewer optical challenged people. Are there fewer optical challenged people? They aren't any optical challenged people.
Okay. Good do.
There are physically optical challenged people. Are there physically optical challenged people? There aren't any physical challenged people.
Very good. Pradeep.
There are fewer locker on. Are there any locker on? There aren't any locker on.
Lookers on.
Lookers.
Umer.
There are fewer bursts. Are there fewer bursts? There aren't any bursts.
Last round.
There are fewer workers. Are there fewer workers? There aren't any workers.
Next.
There are fewer upholsters. Are there fewer upholsters? There aren't any upholsters.
Next.
There are there are many fewer mans. Are there fewer mans? There aren't any mans.
Men. Next.
There are fewer pilgrims. Are there fewer pilgrims? There aren't any pilgrims.
Very good. Next.
The lantern.
Yes.
Lanterns means.
Repeat once again.
सर लास्ट वाला आपने सेंटेंस में लाया ना lantern.
दिवा असतो ना आपला.
Okay.
Lanterns. Okay, the last one is what less. Less मतलब है एकदम बहुत कम, नहीं के बराबर. Less म्हणजे खूपच कमी आणि less we are using for uncountable nouns. Okay? Less. For example, I have less coffee. Do I have less coffee? I don't have any coffee. There is less coffee. Is there less coffee? There isn't any coffee. There is less water. Is there less water? There isn't any water. There is less oil. Is there less oil? There isn't any oil. There is less meditation. Is there less meditation? There isn't any meditation. There is less exercise. Is there less exercise? There isn't any exercise. There is less interest. Is there less interest? There isn't any interest. Can you please make sentences with these words? There is less pseudo. Is there less pseudo? There isn't any pseudo. There is less bombasticness. Is there less bombasticness? There isn't any bombasticness. There is less contentedness. Is there less contentedness? There isn't any contentedness. There is less dejection. Is there dejection? There isn't any dejection. There is less cowardice. Is there less cowardice? There isn't any cowardice. There is less charm. Is there less charm? There isn't any charm. Less मतलब यानी बहुत कम. Continue please faster.
There is little pleasure. There is little pleasure. Is there little pleasure? There isn't any pleasure.
Very good. Next.
There is little depression. Is there little depression?
There is less
There isn't any
arrogance.
depression.
Very good. Depression. Chaitali, ma'am.
There is less arrogance. Is there less arrogance? There isn't any arrogance.
Very good. Next.
There is a little sympathy. Is there any sympathy? They isn't any sympathy.
Very good. Sympathy. Good do.
There is less adhesive. Is there less adhesive? There isn't any adhesive.
Very good. Next.
There is
less agitation. Is there less agitation? There isn't any agitation.
Good. Next.
There is less courage. Is there less courage? There isn't any courage.
Very good. Ankit.
There is
less
bubble. There is bubble.
Is there less bubble?
Bubble. There is aren't bubble. Any bubble.
Any bubble. Next. Good do.
There is less amazement. Is there less amazement? There isn't any amazement.
Amazement. Very good. Jyotsna ma'am.
There is little apathy. Is there little apathy? There isn't any apathy.
Little. I want only less.
Oh, sorry, sir. There is less apathy. Is there less apathy? There isn't any apathy.
Chaitali ma'am.
There is less courage. Is there less courage? There isn't any courage.
Cowardice. Next, Karthik.
There is less
Little honesty. Is there little honesty? Sorry, there is less honesty. Is there less honesty? There isn't any honesty.
Honesty. Honesty. H will be silent. Pradeep.
Honesty.
Shidas.
There is
There is
less
less
consolation.
decretion. Is there less decretion? There isn't any decretion.
Nice. Decretion. Pradeep.
Less consolation.
There is less
If there is any
arrogance. If there is
consolation,
arrogance, there isn't any
there
arrogance.
Wait, Guddu. Pradeep. Consolation.
there is less consolation. Is there any consolation? So there isn't any consolation.
Consolation. Guddu.
There is
Isn't
there
any.
is less audacity. Is there less audacity? There isn't any audacity.
Very good. Ankit.
फोटो सेंड करता बोला फोटो सेंड नहीं किया तो
Ankit. Okay, Jyotsna ma'am, once again, please.
There is less sympathy. Is there less sympathy? There isn't any sympathy.
Next.
There is less illness. Is there less illness? There isn't any illness.
Very good. Karthik.
There is less impression. Is there less impression? There isn't any impression.
Very nice. Shivdas.
There is less clumsiness. Is there less clumsiness? There isn't any clumsiness.
Clumsiness. What do you mean by clumsiness?
Confusion. Is there less
Stupidness.
stupidness?
Next, Ankit. Guddu. Pradeep.
There is less cynicism. Is there any cynicism? There isn't any cynicism.
Very nice. Cynicism. Umer.
There is less crocine. Is there less crocine? There isn't any crocine.
Ankit. Jyotsna ma'am.
There is less arrogance. Is there less arrogance? There isn't any arrogance.
There is
Tell ma'am.
less honest. Are there less honest? There
Honesty.
honesty. There aren't any honest.
There is
There
isn't
is
any honesty.
less discretion. Is there less discretion? There isn't any discretion.
Good. Next.
There is less ego. Is there less ego? There isn't any ego.
Very good. Next.
There is less curiosity. Is there less curiosity? There isn't any curiosity.
Curiosity. Very good. Curiosity. Next.
There is less audacity. Is there less audacity? There isn't any audacity.
Audacity. Very good. Next.
There is weakness. Is there any bombardment? There isn't any bombardment.
Bombasticness. Bombasticness.
Means
Anything else?
There is less modesty. Is there less modesty? There isn't any modesty.
Disappointment. Is there
Very
less
good.
disappointment? There isn't any disappointment.
Disappointment. Yes.
Sir,
Yeah.
what do you mean by bombasticness?
Bombasticness मतलब यानी बहुत ज्यादा बोलता है ना, talkative, very talkative. बड़ 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 करते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं bombasticness. Okay guys, so this is it for today. We are remaining only with one last topic, and that's what numbers, which we are going to see tomorrow, and we are going to finish this topic tomorrow itself. Okay, one last topic is remaining, and that's what numbers. You have to practice at home these things again and again. Some, a lot of, any, many, much of you, a little, few, little, fewer, less we have done. Only numbers are remaining. Last topic है हमारा numbers, and then we are going to start tomorrow a new topic. So please don't be absent tomorrow. We have a very good day and very important topic tomorrow we are going to finish. So first, in the 10 minutes, we are going to finish this topic of numbers, and then we are going to start tomorrow a new topic, and I will give you schedule tomorrow. कल मैं आप लोगों को schedule देने वाला हूँ. Okay? So
Sir.
please don't be absent. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
The day before yesterday, you said that I sent all of student book
Yes, sir.
in
Actually,
on
sir, what
WhatsApp.
happened? Listen. What happened? Since the morning, there was power failure.